Hi, so welcome to another one of our products review video. So this is the Tefal ActiFry 2-in-1, and you can cook a lot of stuff via it. It uses an air frying technology, so it's that of oil basically goes in.
Yeah, a spoonful of oil for stuff at the bottom and nothing at the top. So anyway, we've got some chips going on at the bottom, chicken on the top. Chicken's been in there about 20 minutes or so. It's definitely cooking it quite nice. It's quite nice. We just sort of show you real life because, as you can see by the wall, I'm in the process of doing this house up. So just cooking our tea. I got it from Amazon today. Yeah, it's about 160 quid. Originally bought it. Chips in the bottom, chicken in the top, or steak, or whatever you want to do. Yeah, there's a whole gamut range of things you can do in it. The only thing I would say is it's quite noisy. It's like a high pitch whistle. Sounds like a jet taking off, but if it's healthier food, then it's got to be a plus, isn't it? So, like I say, proof in the pudding sort of thing without it being cooked.
So if you're wondering what it looks like when it's cooking stuff in operation, this is what you can expect. And it is doing quite a good job.
Yeah, it smells nice.
Yeah. So thanks for watching.